picture under the glass. Alright, a pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life.